Hello, hello, hello. How's everybody doing? Can y'all hear me just fine over in chat? Everything sounds good? It is me. Hi, I'm Paul. I am an MLH coach, and I have three sharks behind me, three blahaj, the plural of blahaj. I don't remember what it is. And I hope y'all are having a super awesome and exciting MLH Global Hack Week. Been to some fun events, hopefully, had a good time at them. Today, we are going to be doing no light. Show of hands in chat, how many of you have ever done a no light before, or even know what it is? A yeet of Lahaj. Yes, thank you, thank you. I have a yeet of Lahaj behind me. I have one, I have two, it's a small one, and I have three over, I can't reach them. I am attached to my thing. You've turned your light off in your room before. That is somewhat similar. I could, in theory, turn the lights off in my room. But we're going to be turning the lights off on your code editors today. How we're going to be doing that is we're going to be looking at websites and figuring out a way, and recreating them without using any sort of syntax highlighting. So syntax highlighting, you're coding on it, you're coding up stuff. Let me give you a quick example. There we go. Gonna adjust some stuff here. Sorry, I need to get one thing set up. All right, and then I'll share my screen. Yep, there we go. Nope, that's the wrong screen. Or that is the right screen. I just don't know why loopback's there. All right. Big Paul, small Paul. I am all sorts of different sized Pauls. So, your classic syntax highlighting, and this is stuff here is actually a fun little demo of my workshop tomorrow. But your standard syntax highlighting is, you have all these different colors on your editor to make things super nice and easy for you to work with. So you can be like, oh, I need to make a div of some sort, and you go div. I need, some header here, hello world, yada, 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 blahaj, a good one as well. This helps make it really easy for you to code things. It auto-fills some stuff, so like all those tabs and everything. And it's really nice and cool, but see, back in the old days, we didn't have any of this fancy syntax highlighting or any of them, IDEs or any of that fancy schmancy stuff. We had to code things with candle lights, without any lights on, just, here in the dark, working on things. And that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be coding up websites, trying to recreate them without any syntax highlighting whatsoever. How are we going to do that, you ask? Well, I am glad you asked, because let me show you. Let me hide these real quick, because spoiler alert, some of the things we're going to be doing. MLH, like many, many, many years ago, created this thing called no light. And when I say many years ago, I mean like a long time ago. Let me sign into it. One moment. I need to sign into this on my normal account. One moment. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So many, many, many moons ago, MLH created this thing called no light, where you're able to type your code in here, like head. Is it head within a slash? Oh no! See, I'm already very bad at this. Head, body. I forget where the slash goes. You can code in your stuff here. Div1, and we're gonna write hello world in it. And we're gonna then div 2. Yep. So this is what our website's gonna look like. And as you can see, there's not any syntax highlighting. You can't really see any of what you're coding. And we're gonna go through and try to recreate websites where I'm then gonna smack them in here. I'm gonna quickly press that. And you see, hey, I made a div that says hello world. That's pretty neat. But it was a little bit difficult to do. So we're going to try tackling some websites and trying to recreate them using No Light. So I'm going to post a link in chat to everybody. There it is, the MLH No Light chat. And I'm going to give us 10 minutes to recreate a website. Now, because we're kind of in the olden days where, you didn't have any syntax highlighting or anything, I'm going to go back to the roots, back to the early days of the internet. Usually for No Light, people go to Google and they say like, all right, we're going to be recreating Google this time. But I want to take it back a couple notches. We're going to be looking at Ask Jeeves. Do any of you remember Ask Jeeves? From the year, this one is from 2000. It's an old search engine back before, back when like the Wild West of search engines, when I guess we still do have multiple options, but this one absolutely does take me back. It's an old one, and it still is around. It still exists. You go to like ask.com. This is what Ask Jeeves has become. It's sort of a website, but the real fun of it is this guy right here. This friendo at askjeeves.com. So I posted the link down in chat. I'm also going to tag it here. no-light.mlh.io/Global Hack Week API 1 GHW API 1, because this is the first one of these that we're going to be doing. And I'm going to get us a 10-minute timer. Start a 10-minute timer. Maybe I'll even throw that in the corner or something. Yeah, we'll do it like that. There we go. Cool. Yeah. So you have 10 minutes to go over to nolight.mlh.io/GHW API 1 and try and recreate this website. If you have any questions about it and not really sure, you're kind of lost, not sure what to do, let me know. Otherwise, I'm gonna... Do I turn my lights back on? I could. I think I will. No, you know what? For the spirit of this, we're coding in the dark. It's No Light. I'll leave the actual light here on so you can actually see me. And in the meantime, I will be telling funny jokes in chat. So, what do you get when you cross... Oh no. Oh no. I have not planned very many funny jokes. Is that Jeeve? Yes, that is Jeeve. You can ask him anything. Yeah. Oof, how do you make a nav bar? That's a great question. I am the last person that can answer these things. Actually, can I present multiple screens? No, I can't. Dang it. Why did the chicken cross the road? Tell me, Adam. Why did the chicken cross the road? I need to know the answers. Because the blahaj was there. Impressive. Let's see. I'm going to put the link back there. If you're just joining us, we're trying to recreate the website Ask Jeeves. If you don't know what Ask Jeeves was, it helped you answer your questions back in the year 2002. So I could be like, how do I make a website? This isn't going to work because it's not 2002. But let's see what happens. Nope, doesn't exist. Dang. But you could go here. You can look at news. Yep. Didn't exactly work either. I would share the link to this archive Wayback Machine link, but it's kind of more fun if you can just recreate it from visuals. No peeking, no look behind the wheel to figure out how they did something. Although I don't really think they had many complicated things in 2002 in terms of CSS, so there's probably not much behind or under the engine for this, but it's still a fun challenge. I think the real challenge here is attempting to center this div. Like, it's centering a div in CSS is challenging. There's a reason it's kind of a meme at this point to be like, how do I center a div? Anybody have any questions, comments, thoughts, dreams? Want to ask me fun stuff? I'm an old man, apparently, in terms of coaches, I guess. I have a lot of wisdom, experience. Who is Paul? That's a fantastic question. I am Paul. This is like, I just became an MLH coach this year, but I've been involved with MLH since 2015. Been around for a long time. So yeah, I've been doing a lot of hackathons since then. Been helping out a bunch at Sun Hacks, which is one of the hackathons that I particularly like. A little bit biased because I help organize it. But yeah, you think your no light crashed? How did you? I'm genuinely curious how you crashed it. Why do you think we exist? I don't know. You know, I just sometimes I like speak out into the void, and I just hope that something echoes back, both in life and on stream. And that's just kind of life sometimes. You just gotta hope that somewhere out there is somebody in chat. What? Your no light is using 2.8 gigabytes of RAM. That is impressive, and I do not understand how your no light is doing that. That is. Is it? What? I don't understand that. I'll let somebody know that worked on No Light. I don't think this website has been updated since 2015 when I first did this event at Hack Arizona. Growing up, what were you scared of being under your bed? Let's see. I'm not sure growing up, but I definitely know nowadays I'm scared of more work being under my bed. Just more and more projects to work on. That's definitely the thing that if I peek under my bed and I find like another stack of papers I need to write, it will almost certainly give me nightmares. Impressive is definitely a word for it. You got an internal server error when you clicked. Adam, I'm scared to know what you're doing right now, and I really hope it's something that's. I think 300,000 lines of code. You know, that I will say that might be a little bit too much. Yeah. Hello. Excited to learn some cool stuff. This is a really fun little mini event. Right now we're doing No Light, where you are given a website. The website specifically is askjeeves.com's. Very, very specifically, the askjeeves.com from the year 2002. And your job is to recreate it without using any syntax highlighting. We're currently in the middle of a round that's going to end in about 3 minutes. But if you want to, do like a speed run, very, very fast No Light, you can head on over to nolight.mlh.io. And in fact, I will post the link again, just because I'm that cool. And enter and start coding up your website. Rule here is obviously you can't use any syntax highlighting. You must enter everything into the website as is. So you got to do everything from memory. And the beautiful thing about HTML is it kind of keeps going even if you mess it up. So we're going to see a lot of very, very fun broken websites, and it's usually a good time because it is hard to make a website. I think this might be a you problem and not a No Light website problem. I think adding 30,000 lines of code just might do it. I would agree with you on that one. And again, that also sounds like a you problem. I'm sorry to tell you this, but that is almost certainly yeah, it's crashing your computer, and I would warrant that it is probably a problem with your computer, or well, a self-made problem. All right, we got 1 minute left, so wrap up your code, wrap up all of that, and when you're ready, hit submit at the bottom. And actually, do you even need to hit submit? No, there's not even a submit button. You just finish it off. Let me know when you're, and I will pull them all when all y'all are done, and we can start taking a look at the beautiful, beautiful, totally working websites that everyone has made. Yes. When you are done, in the top right corner, you're going to hover over the thing that says no light, and you're going to click it. Sorry, the top left corner. And then you're going to click it to turn on the light, so to speak, and send it on over to me. Top left. The submit is the MLH logo. No. The submit is the no light logo in the top left corner. I believe. All right, and with that, pencils down, everybody submit your project, submit your beautiful, beautiful, beautiful code, and in a minute, I will pull them all down. All righty. I'll give you, 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and I'm pulling all the projects down. I'm downloading them all. Let's see how many we got. All right, we got a couple here. I am going to open these up one by one, and we're gonna take a look here. Okay, this is gonna be annoying. Alrighty, very first one, Kian. What can I help you find today? Enter your search term. Hold on, wait, I'm gonna do like a side-by-side comparison here. Alrighty, let's do that. Let's drag that there. All right, I'd say this is a pretty close 1-to-1. It seems pretty good. We got a body, we got a paragraph, and an input text. Pretty nice. Alrighty. I mean, honestly, it gets the functionality across, and that's really what matters. For these, I'd love to see, applause in the chat for people, and we're gonna, pick our favorite one, just for bragging rights, just for fun. I think this one is a pretty great one. Let's go, Kian. Woo! Yeah! Love to see it. All right, now let's go on to the next one. I accidentally closed that window, so I'm gonna reopen it. Because I am a disorganized human being sometimes. Let's look at this one. Oh, this is great. I love it. Ask Jeeves, what can I help you find today? Ask, enter a word phrase, and press ask. This is pretty good. We got some cheers in the crowd. All right. This one is Remy. Thank you so much, Remy. I do love that you managed to get the red background in there. You got ID1 there for this, and ID2 and empty div for ID2. Excellent. Actually, I'm curious, will it? No, okay. We can see some of the syntax here. I can pull it up. Yeah, let's do this. Ooh, go Remy, yeah. This is looking pretty good. I think you're missing the search bar, but you know what? I think it gets the point across as well. I love it. All right, next, I'm going to save Atoms for last just because I'm pretty sure that 16.4 megabyte file is something I do not want to open right now. I'm going to save that one for last. All right, we got, oh boy. Yep, there we go. Oh no, I messed that up. This is why you have a tiling window manager that messes up 9% of the time. Ask Papi Jeev. That is, it is by definition that is the Ask Jeev website. Ask Papi Jeev. I think it's the point across. Honestly, it does. Do you really need anything else more than just Ask Jeev? All right, one more we got here. Same vibe. Love it. Ask Jeeves. In the head, we have Ask Jeeves, and the div there. Again, gets the point across. It really gets to like the core concept of what Ask Jeeves is all about, and it's the branding. The only thing you really need for Ask Jeeves is the word Ask Jeeves, right? And now finally, something that will probably crash my computer. If you crash the stream right now, Adam, this is on you. All right. I'm going to show the code first, just so that way we can get a glimpse as to what happened here. Yeah. Yeah, this is it's a lot. It's a lot. I will say that that's a lot. Oh boy, it's crashing. Yeah, that is, hold on, wait. We need to, in all of its glory, just, this is visibly lagging my computer. That is a lot of blahages. I don't think you got the point of the website though. I will say, I don't see. Can anybody in chat help me figure out maybe I'm missing something. Maybe I'm clearly misunderstanding the point of Ask Jeeves, but I don't quite think this is right. Does anybody have any different opinions? 10 out of 10. I'm starting to see it. Did you see Jeeves at the bottom though? Is Jeeves at the bottom? Oh no. Oh gosh. At the very, there is no Jeeves at the bottom. I don't see any Jeeves. I'm going to have to dock you points on this. Oh, well, it's freaking out. All right. Well, that was I guess I got the red. They did got the red. All right. So, Blahaj moment Ox. Okay, so that's kind of the gist of No Light. So we're gonna do another one. I'm gonna pull up another website here. Here we go. I'm gonna do the old NASA website, and while we're doing this, I'm just gonna sit here and chat about NASA stuff. If anybody wants to hear me ramble about cool NASA things, actually, you know what? I will. Let me set up the No Light thing. It's going to be the same URL, except there's going to be a 2 at the end. So I'm going to put that in chat. I believe it's all sent out everywhere. So GHW API 2, and how do I make the time pass here? I know. I have a large collection of NASA posters that I'm just going to start going through, and we're going to chat about cool NASA stuff while we create the NASA website with a 10-minute timer that I definitely remembered to put on. Also, this thing didn't beep at me last time, and I'm very upset about it. So I'm going to choose a website that has a 10-minute timer that hopefully will beep at me. If I go over time, please yell at me. Send nice comments about how I definitely forgot about the timer. All right, we're gonna roll around my office. Okay. Whee! is just going to be stuff that Paul has in his office for no apparent reason. Starting with this cool thing. This is a map of the moon that I got in a class once. It's very cool, and if you tell me your favorite crater, you get bonus points, and I will give you even more compliments on your wonderful website. I don't have a favorite crater. I'm lying. I don't know any craters. Is it made of cheese? Let me check if this map does have information about the composition of the moon on it, and let me see if there's cheese somewhere here. No, I don't think so. I don't think so, but looking at the map, that area right there might be cheese. I'm going to go with possibly cheese. Can we get a maybe cheese? No, lights. Okay. Yeah, it kind of looks like cheese. I have no clue where my collection... Well, I do know where the collection of my NASA posters are. They're just... You know, we're going to dig underneath Paul's desk. Oh, boy. Okay. Yep. This is pain. How do you view your coded website on NoLight? If you want to, you can just go and copy and paste all the code into an actual like HTML file, and then you can load up that HTML file, and you can see it. So, like, for example, here, if I open, I'm not going to open up Atoms. I almost opened up Atoms again. That would have been bad. If I go here, you'll see that if you just go to this file in your browser, it'll actually render the HTML. But yeah. Oh, here's a neat one that's upside down. It's about the USGS, which is the United States Geological Services. I'm gonna very quickly do this. Yeah, it's a cool map. Or not a map. It's not a map. It's a poster. I really like this poster. I think it's really neat. Yeah, this is the archaeological stream. It's things that Paul doesn't realize he has in his office for some reason. I imagine you all are hard at work. I have bubble wrap my... Why is there... Oh. There was bubble wrap trapped in my wheel. That explains why it was making bubble wrap sounds. I know things sometimes. All right, well, we have 4 minutes past, so we got 6 minutes to go. Be sure to put in all the fun finishing touches. For example, this website has this really, really interesting sidebar here with, like, a tiling NASA background. Interesting. I love this, like, today at nasa.gov. Like, it's very 2000s. I'm gonna go look up another website because there's actually a really fun website that I like. And I'm gonna pull up some stuff from it. Yeah. All right. Okay. And if you're just now joining us, we are currently trying to recreate the NASA website from April 18th, 2001, using just plain old HTML, CSS, without any syntax highlighting. If you go to that link there, that's on stream, nolight.mlh.io/GHW API2, you will be able to start working on the website. No cheating. Don't copy and paste code. I'll know because it'll look too good because these are going to look like garbage, and that's the point because it's kind of fun to see what you can put together. And in the meantime, I'm going to go find some other good websites to play with because I have a favorite. I have a favorite website which I will show after this because I'm very interested in like old school web design, I guess is how I'd put it. My website is banging. Y'all don't even know. Oh, I'm ready for it. I am super excited to see it. You're hyping this thing up. Paul, don't forget the timer. I know. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. I see it there with my own 2 eyes. I probably won't forget it. I hope I don't forget it. Really do. Oh man, you are not ready for this next one. This next one's going to be so good. All right. We got another 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Oh yeah. This is some peak web design, if I do say so myself. Bro, yeah, I know. I'm hyping this up, and I think it deserves every bit of hype. Oh man. This one's gonna be extra challenging, but I'm super excited to see what comes out of it. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Okay. Oh boy. You're hyping your subscription to this your submission to this website up because it deserves every bit of hype. I can't wait to see it. Well, I attempt again. You know, I have like a bunch of poster tubes in my office, just of like random posters that I have, and wish I knew which one is which. Yeah, this is the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope. This is I wish that I wish this thing wasn't so glossy because you can't actually see any of it because the whole thing is just bright and shiny. But yeah, it's a pretty neat poster. Lots of space. Ooh, if I could commit one crime so that I wouldn't be committed again, what crime would I commit and why? Great question. Did this website really just like move that over? Okay. What crime? I would commit the crime of parking, like having a really, really bad parking job. So that way, when I pull into my office on campus, I never have to deal with people parking horribly and I'm not able to find a parking spot in the entire garage. So I would do it once, so that way, from then on, everybody would have to park perfectly forever. Paul, timer! Timer, Paul! The timer has ended. Timer. All right. Well, it's time to look at your websites because the timer has ended. So let me go pull them down. Oh boy, it's doing ads. That's what I get for not being logged into things. Shout out to YouTube Premium. All right. We got 3 projects here ready to take a look at. The first one is Remy's. Let's do a comparison here. Honestly, I can't tell the difference between this one and the other one. They're both pretty good. I love the NASA. Just to be fair, this website also does have NASA at least 20 times on it. So I think you've really gotten to the spirit of just like plastering the word NASA all over the stream. But yeah, great applause all around. Good job at this. We can take a peek at the code real quick. And just... No. Not what I... Okay, there we go. Ooh, you even got some styling in there? Love it. Yeah, you did get the same font, actually. That is the correct font. Some styling. Ooh, it looks like it was supposed to have... Oh, we can fix this. I think. Can we? Just dare we? I mean, if I just like, oh man, it's been so long since I've done HTML things. We're gonna do style, or no, class equals div1. Will this? Does it work like this? Can I? Oh, it does work like that. One moment, as I very quickly just... I want to see, you put in all this effort into getting the CSS in there. I want it to thrive. I want to see what the CSS was supposed to look like. So let's go. All right, and let's do that. Okay, and let's do a refresh here. Did that give the CSS to it? I mean, you don't end div 3, so let's do a little divs. Yeah. All right. Well, tried. I still think it looks great. Good job. Good job. And honestly, the fact that you went ahead and did style, that is some bonus points right there if I've ever seen it. All right. Next up. Ooh, this is looking good. I like this. We got some. I love the header. You got the bars there. Oh, this is looking great. All right, let's peek at some of this HTML. You got the side box there. Oh, if I add stuff to it, will it actually? Wasn't quite on the side, but you know what? Love the spirit. Yeah, Paul's trying to fix HTML. It ain't much, but it's honest work. Honestly, I just gotta make these projects shine. Like, you wrote it without any syntax highlighting, which is pretty impressive. So may as well have some fun with it. I love the use of like ID side box, ID text box. Quite excellent, honestly. This is really great, Crucial. And then these vents are... Did you actually get these vents? Oh, you just wrote words. I love it. That's great. That's so great. All right. A round of applause here because you did an excellent job. And finally, we have Sergio's. All right. Zoom in here for a moment. Let me read the text. Welcome, Mr. NASA. My name is X Cool. I like lasagna, but not really, because lasagna honestly has too much tomato juices for my life. If it were up to me, I would think to put an Alfredo sauce instead, but then it basically would become an Alfredo mountain. Honestly, that doesn't sound bad though. I probably would still cop. Does anyone want to start a restaurant? That was incredible, and I do kind of want to make, the Alfredo lasagna. That does sound pretty good. I'm gonna pull down the. Sorry, this is so silly. I'm gonna check again. because somebody asked, is this the last one? You submitted one? Let me double check, because it is my last one, but I might have pulled it too soon. So let me find the link to it, because I already forgot about the wonderful link that I was the one who made. No lights 2.zip. You download it. Could you... if you go to the top left and click the no light button, it should let you submit it, and then I will be able to pull it down. Cyclops Budgie? That's the name. It says submitted. Is it not one of the 3 that I showed? Did you submit it to... Wait, did you submit it to 1 or 2? So you might have submitted it to 1. Yeah, that is the URL. And yours is not Remy there? Let me... You still have the code. All right, then I'm gonna... if you're over on Discord, could you just very quickly shoot me a DM, and I'll get that. Did you get the screen that says you have Smith? Yeah. Because I don't know if you can shoot me a DM. I'll very quickly open my DMs. Message request. There we go. All right. Thank you. Oh, yes. This is beautiful. I am very glad I'm very glad we got this sent over. So I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna make it. Oh wait, I'm just gonna make a new file. 1 moment. I'll just. Sergio, I'm gonna very quickly save over yours, but I have it now saved on my computer 3 times, so it's okay. There we go. Oh, 1 second. In all its glory, we must see this. Let me zoom out. Oh, it's beautiful. NASA. Giant NASA. Oh, you resent it. Whoops. Accept DM. 1 moment. There we go. That's what I need. Let's just open this file up here. Copy the code. Paste it. Paste. No, I don't want to purchase you. I'm sorry. There we go. Beautiful. A Flash movie. Yes, it did it. Oh my god, it had a Flash movie. Wow, that is a throwback. Captain, why did you stop? Look at this view. I wanted to take a selfie. Space, blah, 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 blah. Today at the big red at. You got the big red at. Oh my gosh, this is so good. This is 100 out of 10. I am so... Thank you so much for, making sure this got to me. It's so good. I think they have a clear winner here. As much as I loved the restaurant, this is the red at. You got it. You got it going. All right, and I believe we have time for 1 more, but we're gonna have to go extra fast on it because I do have to be out of here in 15 minutes. So I'm gonna only give us like a 7.5 minutes. But let me copy this. Get a link in chat ready for you. Spoiler alert, the link is going to be this, the 3rd. Let me get the timer ready. And this one's going to be, for all the marbles. 7 minute and 30 second timer. Sure. Oh god, timer. Google, please. I'm going to do 7 minutes and 30 seconds. It's such a weird amount. That's 7.5. That's a normal number. All right. And I'm going to get the website here, copy it's not even a website. It is a photo of a website. It is the Lego website from 1997. And here, I'll zoom in a little bit here. This is the Uh-oh's right. I really think this website shows has peak no light energy, because in theory you could make something like this. But it is a wonderful website. I wish that like somebody, maybe, you know. Oh wait, is it? Wait, it is on the web archive, so I theoretically can play around with this. Oh, it's so good. So good, in fact. While that's there, I'm going to do this. Timer will still be going, but I'm just going to play around on this website in the corner here while y'all are working on it. And I'll put the link back up on the screen. I want to know what's in the Surfer Club. I'm dying to know. Please enter your name in the field. If you're already a member, please enter your membership number here. Oh, man. My own Lego trademark page, or I guess registered page. Wow. This is something. Look for the link in the download zone. What are the products? What kind of Lego products did we have in 1996? This wizard is excellent. I want the big kid for 17 to 16-year-olds. Let's go. Yo! I could get like a little, what is that? Like a little, like a little go-kart? A Lego go-kart? Lego rocket ships? This might just be Paul playing around on the Lego website. What does the play button do? Treasure hunt? Build a duck? Can I build a duck? These are the real questions that I want to know in life. Build 5 different. This was a contest that they had. You had to build 5 different ducks. Participate by submitting your name and email address, and then once a week, you can win something based on ducks. In all your wisdom, have you heard of the app Be Real? I've heard of it. I don't have one. I'm an old man now, apparently. I could build a duck on the Lego website. The worldwide Lego. This website is excellent, honestly. I am thoroughly impressed with how strange and beautiful it is. You were taking your wristbands off and one of them just snapped? That is heartbreaking. I'm so sorry to hear it, Adam. It's okay. You'll make it through. All right, we got 3 minutes and 50 seconds to make to the beautiful Lego website. I want to learn about what Lego. The About Us doesn't have any. Oh no, it does. I can get jobs at the Lego Group. Wow. Now that's an @ Is that @ better than the NASA @ though? I'm not sure. But it certainly is something. See, I think we need to go back to web design like this. This is peak web design. You don't need any fancy schmancy JavaScript, CSS. When all you need is just spinning Lego heads, a pirate that's shaking their pirate sword, and a wizard to sell you their products. time cruisers. Far out time machines? Like they really figured it out. All right, we got 2 minutes left until we're done building the Lego website. I wonder what the Lego website looks like today. Go to lego.com. Continue. Lots and lots of ads. Brought to you by Honey. Thank you, Honey. Oh, I see why. I am currently... This is me, and not normal me. Yeah. Ugh. Yes, profile, please. Yeah, whatever. It's a lot more product forward. It's more of a shopping experience. I think that they should have... Oh, they have a play zone. Can we play Lego games? Can I play Lego games in the tiny corner of my screen? Let's find out. Lego Super Mario. This doesn't seem like a game. This seems like an advertisement to get me to buy Lego Super Mario. I'm going to go with there are no games, only ways to buy things. Which is heartbreaking. Because back in the day, clearly we had Treasure Hunt and Build-A-Duck, which are excellent games, if you ask me. All right, we got 37 seconds, 36. Get ready to submit. I'm extra excited to see all the nonsense that y'all have built. What is This Is Home? It's not even. It just. Oh, it's the go home button. There's so much. And timer is done. Paul, timer. Ding, 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 ding. Timer. Pencils down or keyboards. Well, don't put your keyboard down, but put your pencil that is metaphorical down. And I will, once everyone has submitted, I'll give it like 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 2.5, 2 3/4. Make sure it's submitted. All right, now I'm going to pull all the projects down. And let's take a look at the Lego website. All right, I got 4 this time. We're going to start off with a newcomer here. Oh, this is so good. All right. Like always, I'm going to have one on one side and one on the other. So, let's begin. Oh. All right, Gabrielle. This is home. We got the space mystery. We got the... Oh, God. The scrolling text. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. It's so good. Oh, Sword Guy, Bricks. You named new CD-ROM in yellow, of course, too. It has to be in yellow. Russian flag for some reason? Yeah, apparently, for some reason, there's the Russian flag. This is an excellent recreation. Blah, blah, blah. Go to home. This is home. This is... This is high quality. Honestly, round of applause here, because this is great. I'm going to pull up the code here, just because, like... Dang. You went all out for this. This is wonderful. All right. This is home space. You got the rows there. You got a table with some rows. Oh my gosh. You got the marquee tags. Honestly, I forgot marquee tags were a thing. That is impressive. This is so good. This is so good. All right. I got like 3 minutes. Okay. I got to go fast. All right. This one also very good. Remy, thank you again. We got some divs here. We got the official Lego site. Lots and lots of stuff. You did get the gray right, which I love. Oh man, I wish I had a little bit more time to just go through all these. Ooh, the gray as well. Did you? I'm just curious. Oh, you picked the gray. You picked 80, 80, 80, 80. That's pretty good. Image. Was there supposed to be an image with this Lego.png for in the paragraph? Well, I hope. With an image, I think it would look pretty neat. Or I see it's supposed to be like tiling or something. Well, yeah, that's awesome. And then finally, welcome to the official Lego website. Hi, this is awesome. It is an awesome website. This, I want to join the Surfer Club. I want to know what happens at the Surfer Club. Caught him lacking. And then Sergio, we have yours as well. Oh yes, it's Lego time. This is great. Let me just. Yep. Lego characters dancing. You got the alt text in there. Honestly, for accessibility, you went the extra mile to put the alt text in there. That's good. That's great, honestly. Okay. Well, with that has been the end of No Light. Thank you all for demoing and showing off your amazing projects. They were all really good, especially considering the fact that you literally didn't have any syntax highlighting to do it with. I am Paul. I need to head out next. The next GHW.mlh.io, the next stream starts, I believe, literally seconds after this ends. Shark Tracker. So, no. Just kidding. I don't know time zones. Anyway, the next stream, it will be soon. But yeah. Bye.